Hello? Hey, what's up, brother? Yeah, me and my wife was waiting all day for your call, man. We're looking forward to the home and just the kids are really... I'm sorry? What you mean we got declined? Okay. That's not even supposed to be on my credit report. I don't even know why that's on the credit report. I got that. I thought I took care of that. Okay, all right. So what options do we have? What? So we're not gonna be able to get the home? Okay, how am I supposed to explain this to my family? Okay, what if we... Hello? Hello?
Dad, look what I got for the house. Isn't it so cool?
Not right now, Josh. Not right now.
Just look at it. It's so cool.
Not right now. Okay?
But just look at it.
Not right now! I'm sorry. Man. Dad got a lot going on right now, okay? I apologize. I'm sorry. Let me see it. Home. Amen. All right. Absolutely. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. You all right? I'm sorry. Look, I'm sorry. Okay? I apologize.
It's okay.
Hello? Yeah, what's up, man? Nah, we didn't even get the place, man. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna tell Dorothea. Really? Man, I need this thing off my report like yesterday. 24 hours? You're telling me they said they can remove it off of my report in 24 hours. How's that even possible? Huh. Okay. All right, send me the link. What's it called again? The 24-hour inquiry removal guide. Oh, man, I got to check this out. Send it to me now. All right, bet. I appreciate you, brother. All right, later. Man, wow. Okay. Come on, brother. Send it over. Send me the link.